video, we are going to see a problem on projection of planes. For that, here we have a question. It is given that a square plane ABCD with side 40 mm has its surface inclined to VP at an angle of 45 degree and perpendicular to HP, such that one of the side of the square plane is in VP. Draw its projections. So in the question it is clearly mentioned that one of the side of the square plane is in VP. See, if one side is in VP, it means the entire square plane will be in VP. So starting with that condition, now one of the side of the square plane is in VP, the side is of 40 mm for the square. Side. Next, taking this same 40 mm distance in the compass, so here is the square plane. I'll just give it the notations. Now as we see here, as in case of planes, we have to take the left side as the reference. So it is resting on A dash B dash in VP as given into the question, that it is resting on one of the side. Now this is the front view of the square plane, and in case of planes, when it is looking like a plane, that is its shape is a square in the front view, then from the top view it will appear as a line. So that line is having the notation AB and CD. I'll make it dark. So this is the front view of the square plane, and here is the top view appearing as a line. The next condition is square plane ABCD with side 40 mm has its surface inclined to VP at an angle of 45 degree. Now inclination with VP will be seen in HP because here the plane is appearing as a line. So next thing what I would do is make this line inclined at 45 degree. Automatically the plane becomes inclined. So inclination with VP will be seen in HP. For that I'm selecting a point here, measuring 45 degree. Here we have this 45 degree line. Next I'll measure the size of this plane, that is its length. Cutting this line. So here the notations are AB and CD. Now this is the top view. Next, when the plane was a straight line, then we were getting a square. Now the same plane has become inclined, so the shape will change. And here I'm showing the inclination in the top view, so the front view will change. So projecting the points up into VP, starting with points A and B. So where A and A dash they intersect, that will give point A dash. B and B dash, here I'm getting point B dash. Next for C and D dash, so here are points C and D, and C dash will be projected. So where point C and C dash they intersect, that will give me the point C dash. Similarly D and D dash, here A dash D dash are coming onto the same level, so this same line will be extended. Now where D dash and D they intersect, that will give me the new point D dash. Now joining all these points with the help of dark line. So this is the rectangular plane as it appears into the front view. The shape has changed. Previously it was a square. Now it has become a rectangle. Finally giving the dimensions here. So here the square plane has been converted into a rectangular plane by the inclination. So this is the true shape, and here is the apparent shape. And with this we complete the problem.